各位同我哋講一大扎嘢咧，係同相有關係嘅。OK， 相咧我哋分幾步講晒佢好冇 ？OK， 嗱，首先咧我哋睇下 computer mode 嗰啲字先嚇。首先我哋睇呢批字 ，OK， 啊，呢三個字點啊？點分啊 ？OK， 我哋睇呢個先好冇？I wish to go there。呢個咧係有兩個意思嘅。邊兩個意思咧？其中一個意思佢等於下邊嗰個 I want to go there， 或者 I hope to go there。但另一個咧係 I wish I could go there。大家睇得明呢個 ？OK。下邊呢一個咧就係咧想法同事實相反，去唔到你仲想去，當然啦。I wish I went there 都得啊，不過 I could go there 更加清楚啫嘛。我去到嚇，但係醒去唔到嘅，你去唔到嘅，OK， 一樣啦，冇乜所謂，知唔知啊 ？OK， 嗱，大家睇住喎 ，wish 咧可以係完全同咁樣 I wish to go there 可以係呢兩個意思嘅，冇乜所謂嚇，知唔知啊 ？OK。而家咧，我哋講咗第一個問題啦，呢批嘢。第二個問題咧就係咁，大家 OK 試下呢個 OK 嗱 ，I wish him to go there OK 啊，一樣啦，佢有兩個意思啊，其中一個意思就等於下邊呢個啦，係咪啊？呢次大鑊啦！冇呢句啊！打星係錯嚇，係咪好玩？大家睇唔睇到啊？原來 hope 後邊咧係唔可以有呢個 object 嘅。OK， 你要即係 object to 跟住用 infinitive 係錯嘅。咁你要講咧，要講成咁樣。你寫成一啲咁嘅嘢，知唔知啊 ？OK， 咁你話要咁㗎咁樣，係啊。咁有可能問，喂，咁呢種結構咧 ，wish 得唔得㗎？得㗎。頭先已經寫咗俾你睇㗎啦，呢個係㗎，呢個可以寫翻個 that 落去㗎，寫唔寫得落去都冇所謂。好似個 hope 佢有冇 that 都得㗎，所以佢得㗎。咁你可能問，咁 want 得唔得？好問題啦。我哋睇下 want 得唔得嚇 ？OK。譬如呢句得，咁呢句得唔得 ？OK， 所以我淨喺下面寫咪算咯，係嘛 ？OK， 呢個 want 啦。梗係錯嘅，好玩咧，係啊！我第一部分講完 ，wish、want 同 hope 個分別，睇唔睇到？第一點，原來咧呢條友仔咧係有兩個意思嘅。可以等於呢一個，又可以等於呢一個嘅呢一句。呢個第一個。第二個咧就開始麻煩啦，喺結構上。原來咧加咗 object 之後咧，呢兩個都得。咁呢個咧係錯嘅。 要寫成咁樣。咁原來呢個 want 咧係寫唔到咁樣啊。咁然後咧呢個係得嘅 ，which 係可以加 that 字嘅，得唔得 ？OK， 咁啦，OK， 我都明啊。咁係啦 ，OK， 我哋而家開始講啲比較複雜啲嘅嘢啦。複雜啲嘅嘢咧就係當你講你想做一樣嘢多另一樣嘢嘅時候，點咧？咁咧就係最低難就 like 同 love 呢兩個字啦。啊，咁樣點用啦？嗬，大家睇下。OK， 點用啊？好簡單啫喎。我哋試下講，我咧中意咧，我就簡單啲啦，食蕉多過飲奶，好冇？咁咧，我想話俾我同學講同我聽咧，其實咧 like 咧用 to do 同 do 嚟都得嘅。我哋試下講咧，食蕉多過飲奶咧，用 ing 先好冇 ？I like eating bananas。跟住咧，其實最好用 better than drinking milk。睇到啊？呢個字 like 同 love 都係嘅，可以用 better than。咁咧，但係實情而家咧，好多人都會用 more than 㗎啦，都得。咁仲有，因為 like 咧係可以用 to do 嘅，所以用 to eat 都得嘅。咁呢度用 to eat 咗咧，平衡結構就用 to drink 㗎啦。咁咧，平衡結構後邊重複嘅唔要，所以懟冧佢。大家睇唔睇到？睇到 ？OK。I like to eat bananas better than more than drink milk。咁你用 ing 咧，咁樣兩邊都用 ing 啦，知唔知啊？呢個係最低能嘅。呢個咧初中已經識噶啦。咁咧初中都會識嘅，就係另一個 prefer。OK。我哋睇睇，我用前面嘅例子嚟睇睇下。咁 prefer 會點咧 ？prefer 又係喎，佢用 to do 同 doing 都得個，佢衰格嘅地方就係、咁而家我就做俾你睇喎。佢又係講中意一樣多過另一樣嘢喎。佢中意食蕉多過飲奶。我 prefer OK。如果用 to do 啦，咁中間就係 rather than。咁呢一樣係可以有個咩啊？有個 to 喺度嘅，但係實情你又可以咁樣係咪？點樣啊？請問咁樣啦。I prefer 咩啊 ？I prefer OK。I prefer eating banana than drinking milk。但係呢個唔係 rather than 啦，呢個係用 to 啦。哇！真係死火啦，係嘛？好嘢。大家睇到咩出嚟啊？原來佢幾衰㗎？原來咧，佢咧就係兩邊用 to do 嘅時候，中間用 rather；兩邊用 doing 嘅時候，中間用 to。睇到係相當麻煩，知唔知啊？咁呢個都唔夠麻煩。咁跟住你會睇到有個 would rather， 但係呢個 would rather 咧唔係真係 would rather 嚟嘅，唔係淨係得 would rather 應該咁講。其實可以 would rather， 或者 did rather 或者 did sooner。咁已經兩個，個 did 咧又可以等於咩 had 或者係咩 would 嘅。我就想話俾各位同學聽咧 ，OK， 其實就係咁樣，有四個，邊四個 ？had rather、had sooner、had rather、had sooner， 仲有咩 would rather、would sooner， 總共四個啊。佢點用啊？我首先睇咗個簡單用法先。我用 would rather， he would rather do it now。OK， 佢哋已經而家搞掂佢，咁你睇下。OK， OK。嗰啲同學睇唔睇㗎？ 呢一個咧就視乎呢一個擬定，視乎咩擬定啊？呢度有冇subject擬定 ？The rather the sooner 嗰啲啊 ，rather the sooner 嗰啲咧，後邊有 subject 咧，就用 subjunctive。呢個係 past subjunctive 背嚟嘅呢個，知唔知啊？如果冇其他 subject 啦，即係類似呢啲 subject 咧，就用 base form 原形。睇到啊？咁而家咧，我哋就將佢拉長佢啦，因為我哋其實想拉長佢噶嘛，係嘛？拉長佢好簡單 ，so rather do it now， 跟住駁落去 ，then he did it later， 睇到嘛？sorry， 呢個唔係，咁呢個冇理啊 ，she did it later， 呢個咁啊，佢寧願自己而家做，多過個女人陣間做，咁你拗出嚟，可唔可以咁啊？咁用 do 就算啦，咁啊，梗係得啦。咁呢個就係個男人啦，呢個冇subject啦嘛，全部講晒男人啦。但係咧，如果你加咗個其他 subject 咧，咁咧就唔該你記住，就轉翻 subjunctive 啊，知唔知啊？係啦 ，OK， 好簡單嘅啫。咁呢個又係啦，佢寧願個女人陣間做。佢寧願個女人而家做多過陣間佢自己做。OK， 一樣睇到，大家睇到就得啦。OK， 明白得啦。要好熟悉嘅，熟悉到完全冇問題嘅，知唔知啊？我哋行咗好遠咯喎，呢個幾麻煩㗎，呢個真係麻煩㗎。咁最後一個咧就其實比較簡單啲嘅，我哋用喺呢度咧整過嚟啊，好唔好？OK， 唔好用呢個啦，用 prefer 啦，呢個似呢個一啲嘅，點啊？OK， 可以同 I 咩啊 ？favor 用 ing 嘅，不過呢個用 over 嘅，睇到未？幾麻煩㗎，係咪 ？OK， 咁咧，我哋就將好大嘅兩個 boxes 啦講完啦。OK， 大家睇到啊？首先我哋講咗呢三條有個分別，咁跟住我哋一步一步講咧，講咩啊？講 love like 中意一樣另一樣嘢個可能性係點 ，prefer 點樣？跟住四個加埋 would rather、would sooner、had rather、had sooner 最麻煩，最嬲尾就用 favor 係嘛 ？favor 喺呢度睇到。咁你想講阿 Sir 仲有冇啊？有㗎。當你想話好想啊，咁點講啊 ？OK， 大家睇唔睇到啊？我哋冇成日都講啊 ，I want to see you very much 啦，或者 I want to get 7 8 very much 啦。你點講啊 ？I am eager to get 7 A's 咁啦，睇到啊？你唔中意 I'm eager 仲 I'm 咩啊？I'm anxious 啦。你唔中意 I'm anxious 可以用咩啊？可以用 I'm 咩啊 ？OK， I'm keen 啦 ，keen anxious 同埋咩啊？同埋呢個 eager 都係好想咁解嘅，知唔知啊？大家 OK， 咁我相信大家都明㗎啦，係咪 ？OK， 嗱呢度我哋又講完啦喎嚇。